Hello students. Today we are going to talk about again this division operator. So in previous video we discussing a little bit like what is division operator, but in this video we are going to talk in detail about this division operator. So division operator looks like this one, slash. So there are two types of slashes, forward slash and the backward slash. We cannot use backslash, that is like this one. We cannot use this one, we have to use this one for the division, and it gives us quotient. So let's see with the help of example, so how to write the program and actually how actually this operator gives us output. You can write real quick. Let's take two values with variables int a equals to 5 and b equals to 2. We are taking int, later we will change int into float. Let's take the value. Let's save it. Let's run it. As you can see, output is 0.00. In previous video also we had got same output. Now let's know what is the reason behind this getting output 0.00. We can see here two variables, both are of integer type. A is of integer type and B is also of integer type. So what is the rule, and what the rule says that when the numerator it is of integer and when the denominator it is of integer type, and when an integer divides an integer, then you will get the output integer. So actually we are getting output 0.00. We are not getting 2.25, we are getting 0.00. So how to change and how to bring the real output. For that, what we have to do there, we have to first option is to convert this int into float, like float. Now we'll get the output 2.25. So let's run it. Let's recompile it. 2.5 we can see here. Yes, we are getting 2.5 when you divide 5 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, and later we'll get there 2.5 there. So it's very simple there. So this is the first option. I mean that first answer of this question. Actually, first we have to convert int into float. Since A is of float, B is also it is of float, so we'll get floating output. Next option and next answer can be in this way. We are not going to change its data type. We are going to change its type, and this is called typecasting. How? In this way. So to which data type you want to change, just put that inside the parenthesis. If you put inside the parenthesis, then what happens, each type is converted into float, and after that it will divide, and will give you question part. So let's run it. So again we can see the same output, that is 2.5, or whatever value you will take here, you will get the correct output. So this is called typecasting. In next video I'll show you in detail like what is typecasting and how that typecasting works. So this is about the division and to get the question. I hope you understood what is the meaning of this one and how to put the division in our program. So if you have any questions, just put in your comment box. For now, thank you. We'll see you in next video.